when me and my friend was in the room, right? We were in here. My elf was here. No, actually right here. He jumped off the table and then 2 minutes later, I come back in here. He was right here. He was right here. And there's two more elves that was my friend's elves and what is some more elves. Like if you like my elf and subscribe if you like the other elves.